here, the place called Samrang, and this is the very place where we see the peafowl, generally we call a peacock, and then but somehow today we couldn't get it because maybe we see some like settlement that they are cutting out, because previously we used to see more in this area especially, not many but then few numbers. But now I think we are unfortunate to see this, but really we are going to find this and then try to document from the country. The main project that based on is like sort of school activity based, where we include our schools, students ranging from class 50 to 10, but mostly we involve like niche club members, and we will have a ranges of like ages of 13 to 16. For the mainly we are giving here is to the diversity of the bats, and also we have done last time about the diversity of the bird species. So this is the second term that we are doing for the battings. The first term that we did was like last time summer vacation, where we had covered like almost 6 something sites, and this is our other seasons that we focus on the autumn season. So just to compare the, the variation of that activity in 2 seasons. Stream, where we drill some maybe like the flying from that side and then they hit here and then just go down, and then we have a bag where it will store the bag, and then we go and hit and then we go for the measurement.